Jay here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to show you a new addition to our lot, Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This boat right here is perfect for the area, skinny water fishing, and if you want to poke out of the pass on those good days, this is a Boston Whaler unsinkable. Definitely can do that. This particular 210 Montauk is set up with the white 150. I really like the look of this. It's just clean, it's sleek, it's just a good looking boat overall. And one thing you will notice when we go topside is that, comparatively speaking to other models, other manufacturers, this 21 is much bigger and they appropriate the room very well. First thing you'll notice when you get topside is that we have these flip up transom seats here. You can just have them down. That can be like a little bit of an extra casting platform, or you can have them up for the added comfort. I do like the style and how they did that. This is a 4-position bench seat, so you can sit facing forward, aft, in 2 different positions on each side. As we move to the helm, you do have a SIMRAD here, your multifunction display. You have your engine diagnostics, you'll have your chart plotter, and you also have your sonar. This is outfitted with JL audio, which are Boston Whaler. They outfit them all with JL audio. That is the Bose of the marine world. It's a very good sounding system, and Boston Whaler, that is traditional to them. As far as the bow goes, this one does not have the sun pad, but we can easily order that and add that. But you just get all these compartments on a Boston Whaler are insulated, so you got a nice big fish box right here. You do have a cooler right here as well, and then you do have your anchor locker up front. We also, last thing I'd like to mention with this one is we already do have it wired for a trolling motor. All we'd have to do is pick the right trolling motor, and we can install it here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have on the lot, stop by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and ask for Jay.